Welcome back to Driver's Ed, and today we're gonna learn how to check our own oil. We've already popped the hood on Kurt's Jeep, and we're gonna take a look at the dipstick. In his car, it's located here to the left of the engine. When you look for a dipstick, it's always going to have some kind of loop or hook for your finger, and this one is noted yellow so that you cannot miss it. All right, so the first step is you're gonna pull the dipstick out of its well entirely. Then you want to use some kind of cloth. Most people are going to use a garage rag, but you just want to make sure that it's not something like a paper towel or a tissue that's going to leave sediment, debris, any kind of fluff on this dipstick, and then it's going to get mixed up in your motor oil. Okay, so today I'm using microfiber because we were just at the shop. So first I'm going to wipe off the entire dipstick. All right, there's probably only going to be stuff to wipe off at the very end, but it never hurts to start halfway up just to make sure you get the whole thing. There are two indicator dots here where you want to see your motor oil. All right, the oil is going to be highlighted by this special detail. On Kurt's Jeep's dipstick, there is kind of a hash mark here where my thumb is, and that's where we want to look for the motor oil. Now that the dipstick is completely wiped clean, it's time to actually take our oil level. So we're going to dip it all the way back in, and we're going to see if the motor oil comes up between these two dots. We're gonna take a look and see if the oil is between those two dots. And in fact, it is. It's a normal oil color. There's no sediment or debris. We're not getting any kind of extra drippage on our rag, so we can clean it off. We know that it is not time for an oil change. When in doubt, check with the manufacturer or with your user manual in the glove box to find out when you're supposed to get your oil changed. But Kurt's car is recommending every 5,000 miles. It depends on what your usage is. It's specific to your car. And there you have it. That is how you check your oil.